In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates in Notion. If you use Notion databases to manage projects, tasks, or content, templates are your best friend. They act like blueprints for new entries, so every time you click New, your page starts with the same structure. Properties and content. Editing a template is the easiest way to keep your workflow consistent and make sure your team or just future you always starts on the right foot. Begin by opening the database that contains the template you want to change. This could be a table, board, list, calendar, or gallery view. What matters is that you are in the database where the template lives, not just a standalone page. In the top right corner of the database, find the New button. Next to it, here is a small down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal the template menu. This menu shows all available templates for this specific database, including any you or your team have already created. Locate the template you want to adjust. Hover over its name and click the three-dot icon to the right. This opens the template's options. From there, select Edit. You are now in the template editor, which looks like a regular page, but remember, you are editing the blueprint that will be used for future entries, not changing existing pages. Now customize. Update the content to match what you want people to see every time they create a new item from this template. Add clear headings, starter text, checklists, callouts, or any blocks you rely on. Rearrange sections so the most important information appears first. If your database uses properties like status, priority, tags, or due date, set their default values here so they populate automatically when someone uses the template. You can also show or hide properties to keep the page clean and focused. Keep placeholders descriptive, like add meeting notes here, to guide anyone who uses the template. Aim for simplicity, include exactly what's helpful and remove anything that causes clutter, so the template stays fast and friendly to use. When you are done, just click outside the template editor or navigate back to the database page. Notion saves changes automatically, so here is no separate save button to worry about. From now on, any new page created with this template will include your updates right away. That's all it takes to edit templates in Notion. Open the database, open the template menu, choose the template's options, edit it, customize what matters, and exit to save. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your templates can speed up every new entry and keep your workspace consistent and professional. Thanks for watching.